makeup look right here. I really like how this turned out. And yeah, that's literally all I have to say. And yeah, I'm back for another makeup tutorial. Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm back at my bed because I didn't feel like filming near my computer because, like, I don't know, like, I just felt like sitting on my bed, being comfortable, and recording. Like, yeah. I'm gonna be going back on in front of my computer, in front of my computer desk. So yeah. I am trying to get this one spot of my room ready so I can start recording there also, because I want to have multiple spots to record at. I don't want you guys to just like see like freaking just, yeah, like I don't want you guys to see just my desk and my computer, like, I don't know. So to this makeup look, I really like how it looked. I always mess with reds and oranges, and I just wanted to get back to my roots and just mess with them more because I haven't messed with makeup in a hot minute, and I decided while I'm recording, let's just go back to my roots and just, like, you know, like, do this look. And yeah, I do similar makeup looks like this. Like, if you scroll on my channel, I do similar looks like this. It's just every single one, it's just a different color and different shimmer, shadow, and everything. It's just a different thing, but it's the same technique, if you know what I mean. So yeah, if you want to learn how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Everything that I used on my eyes today will be down below for you guys in order, just in case you guys missed anything. Also, if you're new, hey, I'm Paige, and yeah, cool. Nice to meet you. Subscribe if you haven't already, and also hit that bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video, and you can be the first one to like and comment the video that you swipe to see, you know? When you swipe on your phone to look at the video that you want to see. Yeah, whatever. My social medias would be down below for you guys also if you want to come stalk me, and if you stalk me, I'll stalk you. That's how it works. That's how it works. I'm just saying. That's how it works. Just being honest. But yeah, so if you want to learn how to get this look right here, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I already did my full face off camera. Well, I didn't do my full face. I haven't done like bronzer, blush, and highlighter. I just did like my face makeup, like the creams, and I set it all. And we're just gonna hop into the eyes. I just wanted to get my face over with because like, it's just quicker that way. Usually when I record videos, I usually do my eyes first with you guys, and then do my face makeup off camera, and then finish the eyes with you guys and do my lippy and stuff. But then I was like, you know, let's switch it around. I just got done watching Jaclyn Hill's video, her recent video of like her messing around with her palette. She did like a green smoky eye. I'm not going to be doing a green smoky eye, but I'm just inspired by the smokiness that she did. So I want to do some kind of smoky makeup look. I haven't primed my eyes yet, so that's what we're going to be doing first. I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Concealer in Light Ivory, and I'm just going to prime my eyelids with this. And then I'm just going to take a fluffy flat brush from Morphe, this one right here. Oh, I'm not in the center. That's going to bother me while I'm editing. But I'm going to take this brush right here. I'm going to take the Airspun Loose Face Powder, and I'm just going to set that concealer. I'm going to go in with the Dominique Latte palette right here, and I'm going to go in with the color called Caramel first. Which is right here, and I'm just going to take that color with this Wet n Wild blending brush right here, and I am just going to put that right in my crease as a transition for the colors that we're going to be using. And then I'm going to go in with the Jaclyn Hill palette with this Morphe M441 brush. And I think I want to go in with, let's go in with this color right here. I'm pretty sure this one's called Kokie. I'm going to be taking that color and I'm gonna be putting that in my crease just like we did with the other color that we just put in our crease. I think I'm gonna go in the Jaclyn Hill palette and go in with these two colors that are kind of calling my name. This color right here and this one right here. I'm gonna go in mostly with this one and just a little bit of this one. And I am going to put that right on the outer part of the eye. Alright, so my camera actually turned off while I was doing this eye. I was messing with black and like the shimmer shadow on the lid and stuff like that. And then I noticed that my camera wasn't on, so I was like, you're lucky that I didn't do this eye yet. You're lucky. Because I'd be so mad if I did this eye, both of my eyes, and I didn't get it on camera. So what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing that I did to this eye on this eye, and we're going to do it together, obviously. So first thing that I'm going to be doing is taking a black. The black that I took was this Makeup Revolution London palette in Reloaded. And I took the black in the palette, which is this one right here, and I took that on this Echo Tools brush right here, and it's double-sided, and it's like a smudger brush, and like this brush is just like it just comes at a tapered end. And I took the tip of that brush and I took a little bit of black, just a little bit at a time, because I don't want too much black, but I want black in the makeup look. I'm going to just be putting that on my lash line and just a little bit on the outer part. I'm not bringing it in or anything, I'm just keeping it on the outer part of the eye. And then I'm taking the Morphe M441 brush and I'm just going to blend that out. And then I'm going to go in with the Tartiest Pro palette, and I'm going to go in with this color right here, this shimmer shadow, and I'm going to be taking that and taking this Ulta flat brush. Just called an eyeshadow brush, that's what it's called, but it's a flat brush, and I'm just going to take that color that I just showed you guys, and I'm going to put that right on the lid. And I did put it on kind of messy because I want this look to be very smoky and messy. I don't want it to be very clean and just very sharp. I'm going to take the Morphe brush with nothing on it. It just has like some leftover shadow from the colors that we took earlier. And then I went in with a different color to kind of make it a little bit lighter. So I took this color from the Tarte palette. This is the color that we just took. I'm going to be taking this one right here. And I'm going to be taking the same brush, and I'm kind of going to put that right in the middle, just to brighten it up a little bit and not make it as gold as it is. And then I'm going to take this Maybelline New York Line Stiletto Ultimate Precisions Liquid Eyeliner. And this is in Blackest Black. And I'm just going to go in with that, and I'm just going to do a thin line near the lashes, and then we're going to pop on some mascara. And then I'm going to be grabbing this Maybelline New York Total Temptation mascara. This mascara, I love it, and you could see that she's used and abused. Like, she's so messy. I don't know if you guys could see it on camera. It's so messy. But I am just going to be taking that and putting that on my lashes. I'm going to be taking these lashes right here. These are the Eylure lashes in the style. Oh my god, why do I always forget? I think Platinum Princess? I don't remember, but I'll have them down below for you guys. I literally don't remember at all. But I'm going to just plop these on, and then we're going to go move on to the bottom lash line. So now that we did the lid, we are done with that. Gucci or whatever. We're going to be moving on to the bottom lash line. I don't know what this brush is called, but it's just like a smudger brush. I'm going to be taking this and taking the first color that we took in the crease, and the color that we took is Caramel. And then the Jaclyn Hill palette, we took this color right here. This is the second color that we took in the crease, and I'm going to be taking that on the same brush. And I'm going to do the same exact thing that we did with that other color. I'm just letting my hands do whatever because I don't know what I want to do down there. And usually I never know what to do down on my bottom lash line, so I just do whatever my hand is doing. And right now my hand is just keeping every color on the outer part of the eye, bringing it to the inner part, but keeping it mostly on the back part. And then I'm going to be taking, I'm pretty sure we just went straight in with the red color, so my hair is bugging me. I'm sorry if you keep seeing this part come up front. It's just not good today. Probably after this video, I'm probably going to put my hair up. So yeah, that's the thing. So I'm going to go in with these two colors. We put that on the outer part of the eye. So I'm going to do the same exact thing, put that really on the outer part of the eye. And since every color that we have been taking has been really on the outer part, I'm going to take a little bit and really put it back there because I want to be able to see those colors that we just put down. I don't want these two reds to take over, so I'm going to really put it back there. And by the way, I did finish my face makeup. If you're wondering, I did do that. And then for my inner corner highlight and my brow bone highlight, I'm going to be taking this Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighter Powder in Blossom Glow. Yes, Blossom Glow. Just looks like this. It's a mess, but I'm going to be taking this and I'm going to be putting that on my brow bone and inner corner highlight. And then I just put on this Kissable Liquid Lipstick in Mauve. This is from Kokie Professional. Yeah, I don't know which way, like how you say it, like Kokie. But yeah, so that's the end of this makeup look right here. It's not as smoky as I said, but it's kind of smoky and it's very fall-like. I really love going into like the oranges and reds. I don't know, I just always go in with them. Like I feel like every single time when I want to play with makeup, I mess with reds and oranges, and I don't know why, but that just happens, and I just can't get away from reds and oranges. But I do want to get out of my comfort zone and go in with a bunch of stuff, and I'm going to be doing that a lot for fall, and I have some makeup ideas for fall. Hopefully, I don't know if this is going to be the plan, but maybe next week I'll start the fall makeup looks. I don't know if I want to do it next week or the week after, or just go ahead and do it on Sunday. I don't know when I want to start that, but most likely next week. I don't know. Yeah, I'm so excited, and if you are, give this video a thumbs up. Also comment down below if you like how this makeup look turned out. I really enjoy how this looks. And comment down below, let me know if you like how it looks also. If you're new, hit that subscribe button, also hit that bell button so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. so you could be the first one to like the video and comment on it. But yeah, so if you guys like this video, if you did, oh, by the way, everything that I use in this video will be down below for you guys. Also, my social media will be down below for you guys, just in case you guys are wondering where to stalk me and stuff like that, and what I used on my eyes. If you missed something, it will be down below for you guys in order. But yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to say, guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!